Meaningful travel, to me, means a better future. It's really important that when we travel to a place that we're good stewards, not only for the destination that we're visiting, but also for the communities that are serving us and showing off the place that they love so much.
I feel a connection with Asheville. So I think it's just a matter of we can talk about local community and how important it is, but it really requires people to come and interact with that local community for them to then know how special it is and for them to say, that's the reason why I want to come back.
When we travel, we open up our minds and our hearts and understand that we're a lot more the same than we are different as societies and people. And really only one thing could do that, and that's travel.
Now more than ever, people are really leaning into meaningful travel, engaging with the community, learning as we are doing every day here, interacting and leaving, come back home with a better sense of who we are as a people, as the diversity of our nation in America. It's a great term, meaningful travel.
Asheville was the perfect fit for really so many reasons, but primarily because they just have a strong foundational ethos around supporting and empowering their local community. And this example in the face of crisis is one that other destinations can truly learn from.
This summit is different because we're all here for a shared purpose and a shared vision of figuring out how we can be resilient, but even better, come back as a destination in a better position as a tour operator or a travel advisor. So everyone's rowing in the same direction. And Tourism Cares really does unify the industry. And that's one thing that sets us apart. We're really trying to work together to unite the industry for a greater good.
To have institutions that are as large and as expansive as Tourism Cares come into our space really helps to shape where we want to be and where we want to be as a regional leader and as a national leader. Organizations like this give me hope about the possibilities of a future.
Tourism Cares is exactly the kind of group that we want to have in our community. Travel is best when it gives back. And so having groups that hold the values of understanding that travel is a power for good and the good that it can do for the people, for the natural and cultural resources that are such treasures, having those kinds of groups that get that, experience our community and use it as a reflection point for their own discovery and growth is just absolutely magic.